Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access problem. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how to fix this problem, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device, so this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to open your phone settings over here. Now once you open your phone settings, for the first solution, just scroll to the last end and you can see system. Depending on the phone that you are using, just go to date and time, and once you go to date and time, all you want to do is to just turn on this option. You need to make sure you are using use network provided time. You need to make sure your time is correct, and you can see automatic time zone. Just turn on this toggle, and you need to make sure after turning on these options, your network will be connected. Your date and time will be corrected if there is any mistake, because this time around you'll be using the network provided time. Now after doing this, all you want to do is to click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Now you can see I have connected to this Wi-Fi over here, and in this case all you want to do is to just click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to, and once you are done, all you want to do is to click on forget over here. So click on forget, and once you click on forget, it will be disconnected. So in this case it will be demanding for the password again, so just enter the password once again over here, and then reconnect once again, and now you can see it is connecting. So once you click on forget password, just connect once again, and you can see it has now connected. So you can see over here, just enter the password, and then click on connect over here. So just wait for it to be connected, and you can see over here connected. So now you can see, let me go ahead and then open my Facebook, or let me open my Play Store, and you can see it is working now. So you can see my internet is now working, and you can see everything is connected successfully over here. So you can see everything is now working. So with this, your problem will be faced very easily, and you can see everything is working 100% over here. So with this, you can easily face this problem. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new